Right, so let's dig into specific accounts a little deeper and learn some more about them. An important term in accounting that you will have to remember is general ledger. A general ledger account is an account that helps us organize information about a firm's balance sheet or income statement items. For example, a firm will have the following general ledger accounts on the asset side: cash, accounts receivable, inventory, property, plant, and equipment, and so on. These are the same items that we have discussed in our previous lesson. The general ledger account is the name of the container where we store information about balance sheet and income statement items. Usually, a general ledger has subsidiary ledgers, which contain the respective details of the account. For example, an accounts receivable general ledger will have subsidiary ledgers that contain information about the amount that each customer owes. A general ledger for inventory will contain subsidiary ledgers that will show the breakdown between raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. It is important to know the meaning of the terms general ledger and subsidiary ledger because they are part of the accountant jargon and often used in practice. In our next lesson, we will learn about one of the most popular ways to organize the information in a general ledger: T accounts. Thank you for watching.